So beautiful people, as you can see, we are living, okay? We are living. No. This is Manila village. Hello beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching our videos. As you can see, this is our house here in Ghana, where we are living. This is Emanuela and Philip. This is Emanuela and Philip. So this is our house. We are living. Just take you around. Okay. So this is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. This is our plantain wine. If you have not watched the video how we prepared our plantain wine, the video is on our YouTube channel. So this is our kitchen.
Yes, our planting. Yes, our planting. I got you. Come on, come
We are lucky very well.
So, these little people, here is our house, okay? This is where we are living. Thank you so much. See?
Thank you so much for watching. This is Emanuela. Don't finish the onion now.
Oh, yeah,
pick up the onion.
This is onion for coffee. Here is our house. This is our gas cooker. You see? This is our gas cooker. Here is our banana wine.
Plantain wine.
Okay, this is plantain wine. We have already prepared banana wine too. So watch it. It's on our YouTube channel. This is coconut flakes. How we prepare is on my YouTube channel. So sorry. So this is our storeroom. You see our storeroom. This is where we keep our pots and plates.
Yes, house.
There's our storeroom, our plates we are using for our videos. This is our market bag. You can leave Manuela live there now. This is our, you see, this sack of bag is rice flour, okay? How we prepare it is on my YouTube channel.
So this is our pots, our gas. These are our local pots. These are our local pots, okay? Our blender. So these are our blenders.
So you see our color here?
Philip, leave the way now.
The road to
Why are you blocking the road?
This is our bathroom. This is our bathroom.
This is our shower. So these are toilets and these are basin.
So this is all the clothes we want to give to people. So we are waiting for them to come and carry it, because all these clothes we don't follow us go to Nigeria. So this is where we are living. Okay. Here is our parlor. So So here is our you see Manuela and Philip, see the way they are jumping on the bed.
Manuela, take it easy now.
Take it easy, Malo for it back. So this is our second bathroom. Okay.
This is master bedroom. Master bedroom, toilet and bathroom.
So this is our toilet.
These are toilets.
So, thank you so much for watching. That is where we are managing, enjoying our life in Ghana. Okay, so
Thank you so much for watching.
say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Come in now. Come and say bye bye here.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. So beautiful people, as you can see, we are leaving. Okay. We are leaving. This is
Manuela and Philip.
this is
Manuela.
Okay. So currently now, as you can see, this is we are at the cross country. So we are actually going back.
Back to
Okay,
Nigeria.
going back final. So we are leaving Ghana finally to Nigeria. So we are taking the bus. So that is just it. Bye bye. See you in Nigeria. Mwah.